If you don't let go of what's holding you back, next year will look just like the last. Deep down, you know you deserve a better story. This isn't just about a new year, it's about closing an old chapter and choosing to move forward. The past shaped you, but it doesn't have to define you. Imagine redirecting your energy from old doubts into building a life filled with purpose and joy. This is your invitation to release what weighs you down and rise. Are you ready to stop repeating the past and start creating your future? Let's begin. Fear is the quietest thief. It whispers, "Not now, you're not ready." It builds invisible cages, keeping you from your potential. We cling to familiar misery, afraid of the unknown. But what has fear really protected you from? Disappointment or joy? Letting go of fear means you stop letting it drive. Hear its whispers, but say, "Thank you, I'm driving now." Take the first step, even if you're trembling. Fear is a weed in your garden of dreams. Tend to your dreams with belief and action. The voice of fear is loud, but your intuition is deeper. Quiet the noise. Find stillness. Listen to your soul. Imagine fear as a heavy coat you no longer need. Let it fall away. The future you want is on the other side of the action you fear most. You are not the same person you were before. Every experience has made you stronger. Let's stop rehearsing tragedy and start visualizing possibility. When "what if I fail" comes, answer with, "but what if I fly?" Don't let fear author your next chapter. You hold the pen. Readiness is a decision, not a feeling. Decide now to step out of fear's shadow and into your potential. The world is waiting for your gifts. Let go of the illusion that you're not ready. Choose flight. Let's move forward. Not everyone in your life is meant to be a main character. Some are just a chapter, or even a single line. The wisdom is knowing when their part in your story is over. Holding on to people who drain you is like forcing a finished chapter to continue. Pay attention to how you feel after you interact, energized or drained. Your energy is precious. Don't spend it on those who leave you in emotional debt. Letting go isn't cruelty, it's self-preservation. You decide who gets a key to your life. Toxic people demand entry, but leave chaos behind. You have every right to change the locks. Letting go can be painful, but it's necessary for your peace. Sometimes, you must let go of the version of yourself that tolerated disrespect. Forgive that version. You know better now. Letting go is often a quiet, gradual distancing. Boundaries aren't walls, they're gates you control. Surround yourself with those who celebrate your growth. Your circle should uplift and support you. The quality of your life reflects the quality of your relationships. When you release toxic connections, you create space for better ones. Don't feel guilty for outgrowing people. Growth is the point. Like a lobster shedding its shell, you must let go to grow. It's a natural, beautiful part of your evolution. Walk forward. Those meant for you will walk with you. Choose your peace. Make space for the right people. Overthinking is mental quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. It feels productive, but it's just spinning in circles. Most scenarios you worry about never happen. Overthinking is often fear in disguise. Clarity comes from action, not endless thought. You don't think your way to a new life. You live your way there, one small step at a time. Excuses are overthinking's loyal companion. I'm too tired. I don't have enough money. Now isn't the right time. Excuses are stories we tell to justify inaction. Letting go of excuses means working with what you have right now. Don't have an hour? Do 10 minutes? Can't afford the course? Read a free article. The antidote is resourcefulness. Use the 5-second rule. When you have an instinct to act, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Take the first step. Replace what if with what is. Focus on the next right piece, not the whole puzzle. Momentum from one small action beats hours of overthinking. Your mind is a sky. Let thoughts drift by. Don't cling to the clouds. Meditation helps you become the sky, not the storm. Excuses come from doubting your capability. You don't need to be fearless, just brave for a few seconds at a time. Trade excuses for experiments. Instead of "I can't," ask "How can I?" Progress over perfection. Done is better than perfect. In the doing, you discover who you can become. Let go and move forward. We've walked through fear, toxic connections, and overthinking. Now, it's time to put down that weight. The person you're becoming is waiting on the other side of this choice. Imagine waking up a year from now, lighter, freer, living in alignment with your values. This isn't a fantasy, it's the result of letting go, moment by moment. Your new life begins the moment you stop carrying what was never meant for you. Let go, grow, and walk into the future with a lighter heart.